This is my first tutorial on how to download drivers on your computer. Okay, let's do this combination to open my computer using Windows E. And then we have opened our computer. Let's choose this PC, right click it, and properties. We choose device manager. Here we can see all our devices, input, output devices. For example, here in network adapters, there is an exclamation point or your computer lacks a driver. For example, Realtek PCIe has an exclamation point. We can click it and right click properties and details. In this tab, we click this drop down list and choose hardware IDs. The first category, we can right click it, copy, and paste it to Google. Then search. And we click this first result, driver identifier. By the way, before we can download our driver here, we must log in using Facebook or Google. And I choose this second option because my laptop is Dell, and press download. And then I choose this download button. Then there is two options. Either we can go to the manufacturer server or the driver identifier server. For me, I will choose option 1. Now it is downloading, and then we have downloaded it. We can choose this button, show in folder. Click it. And install. And now we have installed our driver. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this helps. And once again, thank you and God bless.